Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of May, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and weak upward trend over the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 3.31% over the next 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between -19.65% and 28.62%. In examining the longer-term outlook, our analysis for the next 12 months indicates a projected change of around 47.66%. Based on our evaluations, the stock's performance could vary from 28.80% to 333.41% over the coming year. This would translate to a future price range between $12.20 and $41.04. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, SoundHound AI Inc. stock price fell more than 5.02% on Wednesday, closing at $9.47. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price decreased by 5.02% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, moving from $9.97 to $9.47. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 8.52%, reaching a low of $9.37 and a high of $10.17. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a 3.27% gain over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased by 5 million shares on the last day. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 35 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $328,380,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the price stands at 62.09%, or $15.51, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI Incorporated has recently found itself in the spotlight due to pending class action lawsuits related to alleged violations of securities laws. Investors who acquired SOUN securities between the 10th of May, 2024 and the 3rd of March, 2025 are being urged to join the lawsuits before the 27th of May, 2025 deadline. The allegations focus on claims that the company misrepresented its financial controls, overstated its remediation efforts regarding these controls, and inflated its goodwill related to significant acquisitions, which has implications for its financial reporting. In the short term, the presence of multiple class action lawsuits can create significant volatility in SOUN's stock price, potentially leading to a decline as concerns over legal ramifications and financial instability surface in the market. Investors may react negatively to the uncertainty surrounding the company's future prospects and credibility. In the longer term, how SoundHound manages these lawsuits and the outcomes will be pivotal. If the company can effectively address the claims and restore investor confidence, it may recover and see its stock price rebound. Conversely, if the lawsuits lead to substantiated claims that affect the company's financial health, this could lead to a substantial decrease in stock value. It is essential for current and potential investors to closely monitor these developments, as the actions taken now could determine SoundHound's financial trajectory for years to come. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Wedbush rated SOUN with a buy and a hold action. Again, on Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform with a hold action. On that same Friday, Cantor Fitzgerald upgraded SOUN to an overweight rating with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. currently shows a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $10.71. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average around $9.11. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, with the stock having fallen by 19.47% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, warranting closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 68 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.38. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction could be expected when the support is tested. The stock can experience significant movements throughout the day, reflecting volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be high risk. In the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.79 between its high and low, representing an 8.52% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.21%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may raise concerns about profitability and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a loss of 6 cents per share. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $9.74. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $9.38. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from various analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Timothy Stonehocker conducted an insider sale of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, James Ming Hom conducted an insider sale of 3,815 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, James Ming Hom again conducted an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, James Ming Hom conducted another insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Kihon Mahajer conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 11.019. In total, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,775,200 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there has been no stop loss established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Incorporated exhibits several negative signals, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 22nd of May, we project that SoundHound AI will open higher by 20 cents and begin trading at $9.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you accept and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.